today I'm going to teach you how to do double yo-yo toss. Double yo-yo toss looks like this. Now, before you do this double toss, make sure you're comfortable with double yo-yo, leg orbit, double yo-yo leg orbit, and just tossing in general, obviously. To start off double yo-yo toss, put one yo-yo in a trapeze. Similar to double yo-yo leg, you're gonna toss the bottom yo-yo up while undoing the trapeze on the top yo-yo. Looks like this. Make sure you toss that bottom one a little higher to allow time for the second one to come all the way around and follow it up. Again, white one goes up, undo the pink one, and catch. Each of your double yo-yo toss needs to go in this shape. Left hand tosses, right hand catches. Left hand tosses, right hand catch. A big oval. It goes all the way to your left hand, tossing it over to your right. The motion of your double yo-yo toss should look like this. Left hand tosses to your right. Left to your right. The yo-yo doesn't go straight up. You can't do left hand toss, left hand catch. It's left hand toss, right hand catch. Trapeze. Bottom yo-yo goes up and over. Up to your right hand catches. Trapeze, white yo-yo goes up, slightly towards the right. I'm gonna catch it with my right. Watch the white yo-yo. Up to my right, catch it with my right. Once you're comfortable with that, the second yo is gonna follow the white yo-yo up. You release the second yo-yo while the first one is in midair. White one is up, pink one follows, catch, catch. Do not wait until you're about to catch the first yo-yo to toss the second yo-yo. You toss the second one up right as the first one is at its highest point. First one, second one, catch, catch. Do that a few times to get comfortable with it. Toss, toss, catch, catch. Up, catch, catch. Once you're comfortable with that, you can do it continuously. Toss. The most common mistake when doing double yo-yo toss is your tosses are going straight up on your left instead of slightly towards your right in a U shape. Your tosses should follow a U shape. Left hand tossing into your right hand. If your toss goes straight up on your left, your second yo-yo will collide with the first one. Double yo-yo toss. Start off with the trapeze. First toss goes up, over to your right. Second yo-yo follows. 1, 2. That's how you do double yo-yo toss. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. The most common mistake